Hey everyone, this is Divya from tabutinkufoodies. Today I'm going to show you a whole wheat sponge cake recipe which is easy to make, super soft and fluffy, and the best thing is instead of refined sugar, it's sweetened with jaggery. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started. So first we'll add oil in a large bowl. Followed by 1/3 cup jaggery powder, 2 eggs, half cup curd or yogurt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and we'll give it a good whisk till everything is well combined. Now we'll add 1 cup whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and we'll mix it gently. Now we'll add 1/4 cup milk and give it a gentle mix till everything is nicely combined, but make sure not to overmix the batter. The cake batter is ready. Now at this stage we'll preheat the kadai on low heat for 10 minutes. Now we'll pour the batter in a parchment paper lined cake pan. We'll smoothen it out. And now we'll bake this in our preheated kadai. First we'll place a metal stand. Place the cake pan on top of it, cover the kadai and let it cook for around 40 to 45 minutes. You can also bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 40 to 45 minutes. So it's been 45 minutes, let's check on the cake. We'll insert a toothpick in the center, and if it comes out clean, that means the cake is ready. Now we'll let this cake cool for some time. The cake has cooled, it looks just perfect, super soft and fluffy, and it's time to cut it. This sponge cake is ready to enjoy. You can have it as is or pair it up with your chai or coffee. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you have never tried whole wheat sponge cake, you should definitely give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. For more recipes, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.